Welcome to a revolutionary approach to reading education. Discover how our 100-lesson program transforms young readers. Our structured, phonics-based method builds a strong foundation for lifelong reading success. Ideal for children ages 4-8, our program sets the stage for confident reading skills. Our color-coded, scripted lessons make learning effortless for both parents and children. Experience the joy of watching your child read illustrated stories with growing confidence. Real parents have seen remarkable progress, and you can too. Our program includes a treasure trove of supplemental materials to enhance the learning experience. We'll share insider tips on motivating your child and maintaining consistency throughout the journey. The 2024 edition brings even more comprehensive learning opportunities for your child. We'll compare our approach with other popular reading methods, helping you find the perfect fit. Discover practical strategies to celebrate milestones and track your child's reading progress. Our structured approach turns reading into an exciting adventure, creating enthusiastic, skilled readers. Join countless parents who've unlocked their child's reading potential. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Ready to unlock your child's reading potential? Click the link below to get started.